How to fix all videos saying video unavailable. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the video unavailable error on YouTube when videos won't play on your laptop or computer, covering common causes, practical fixes, and steps you can try to get videos playing again. So one of the main reasons this can happen is because of ad blockers or other browser extensions. If you have an ad blocker active, it can interfere with YouTube and stop videos from loading. So you're going to open any video on YouTube, click on your profile picture in the top right corner, choose send feedback, and think of this like reporting a hidden restriction on your account. You can attach a screenshot of the error if you want, click allow if it asks for permission, then explain the problem in your own words. For example, every video I try to play says video unavailable, I can't watch anything. This issue usually affects just your account, so if you log out, YouTube will work normally, but if you want to fix it on your main account as well, sending feedback is the way to go. Another workaround is to log in with a different account while waiting for YouTube to resolve it. From what I've read, it can take a few days for YouTube to fix it, so you need to be a little patient with that. And that's basically how you can fix this issue. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.